Hey guys, it's Kira. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with
Daniela, and today we're trying out Wheeze.
So we have these Wheeze, but if you're asking where we got them, I don't know. I just got them from my amazing aunt, and she was wonderful to give this to us and so for us to keep. So let's try on the Wheeze. Oh my gosh.
I had to take out my hair for this.
Yes, she does. And my hair is too much.
Oh,
My hair is too messy for this.
my hair's too curly for this.
Okay, straight here.
I never tried on a weave like this before.
Okay, I need a brush. See? You gotta use a brush.
You look like Pocahontas.
What? I do not look like someone, I promise.
Okay, I'll put this like there.
Oh, wow, that looks nice on you. Oh, you already look like Moana. You look like it's a teen version.
Never tried on a weave, but today I will.
Ew.
Oh, jeez.
I know you saw that. She picked that freaking weave in my mouth. It was like,
I don't know how people wear this.
it's easy.
I'm not really used
If
to.
you like a thing, you should.
Oh my gosh.
One
One thing that I hate are weaves. They have a clip on them.
I know. So, guys, we're gonna just pop. We're just gonna be frozen for now, and we're just gonna. And our Wheeze are
I
gonna
don't
be
like these.
perfectly on. So ready, set. So look how hers turn out.
I hate weaves. Like,
I love them.
I
Okay,
would wear
so
weaves, but not like this.
now we're gonna switch. So
One thing.
This is so. Look at mine. Look at hers. Hers is better than mine.
I like this weave. Like,
I love it.
I love it.
It looks so nice with the headband too.
That one, it sucks to me.
I know, but not to me.